broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in
Morning, guys.
listen-only mode.
Fellas, very good Friday morning. Jim, Tony, Jacques, I have no idea what just precipitated this move in equities, gold, silver. Everything just came. Good morning, Chris, Randy, Sue, Donna, Carl. Guys, good morning. I have no. Hang on, guys. I'm just adjusting my charts. Obviously my silver is on. My bonds are on. And I'm now turning gold on. Let me get my 3-minute on here, guys. All right, my bots are on. The usual suspects. I also have crude on, which is in a short currently. No earthly idea. Let me just check news. I have no idea what. I don't know what this was about, guys. I don't hear anything. If anybody has or has heard something, let me know. Yesterday was a pretty good day for those of you guys that paid attention. Gold hit my target, monster. NASDAQ also hit my target at 420 and higher, but my target was 420. NASDAQ got target. Good morning, Yannick. All right, unless we get another crescendo. My charts are good. In any event, guys, good morning. It's Friday. Last day of the week for us. Well, for everybody, I guess. And if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. Mimi, good morning. I want to thank you guys for spending the week with us. This volatility is terrific for the scalper. I thought I had my gold scalper out. All right, guys, let me shut my Skype off. All right, quickly looking around. We got about just under 1,400 net sellers in the NASDAQ and sellers coming still. We have 1,500 sellers in silver going to short again on the robot. Silver just shorted again on the robot. Let's see what we get here. We're starting to, it's getting crazy volatile. Gold as well, down to 17. This is the area that we should hold. Gold could come down to 1,900 out on that silver. It's getting awfully volatile, but gold is in an area where we should bounce. We'll see what we get. We've got 5,000 sellers in gold currently. Couple thousand sellers in YM. 7,000 give or take sellers in the ES. We've got 3,000 sellers in crude. Bonds are bid. And that's what I see for the moment, fellas. I still think we're coming down. NASDAQ may get a bid now. We could go back to 440. We could go to 440. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. There's going to be a long on the. Good morning, Todd. I'll move the disclaimer up here and why can't I move that? There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. First target off on gold, 17 ticks. On break even +1. But I think we can get up to that 26.4 target. NASDAQ can head back up to 40. Going to be out on, okay, out on gold. Awfully tight stop. Turkish president touting a major gas find in the Black Sea. NASDAQ's got to get through 25, which I think it can, and get back up to 40. You would need, Michael, if hang on. No. You would need either, good morning, Tommy. You would need either sub accounts if you're trading live or individual sim accounts to do what you're asking. You can get sub accounts by asking your broker. NASDAQ's going to 40. Gold is headed to 26.5. Gold can actually get all the way up to 28.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Gold's gone quiet.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Another first target on gold. Gold's going to get to 28.2. Call it 28. Anybody is in gold. It's going to 28.
Stop filled.
I mean, Lynn, I'll do some education on the scalper when I start with education again in September. But it's fairly self-explanatory. I mean, you're watching me do it, right? I'm merely placing the entries on both sides. It's not like it's requires a whole lot of thought, right? It's either going long or short, and our first target 6 ticks, and it's break even on the Nasdaq. 3 ticks on gold, or maybe 4 ticks on gold, and same with crude, and ES is 3 ticks. It's a scalper. And the goal is to get a few of these a day that go a couple $100. No, that can't be. Cannot be. If you, like, for instance, on gold, if I hit both, it only plots one side because there's not a pivot, right? There's no pivot on the top yet. So it won't plot until there's a pivot. When we form a pivot, it'll auto plot. See how it says wait on the green side?
Order canceled.
Yeah, that's it. It's an OCO range breakout system using buy and sell stops. That's it. Gold is about to my 26 half. And next level up will be 28. NASDAQ, fellas. NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ goes to 40, but it's, where do we get now? 30, 29 half. I think there's 10 handles left in this. Slowly. But it should go to 40. So this is a nice little runner, 125, 30 bucks. Gold's got my 26 half target. Next level up is 28.2. I'll tell you where gold can go. Gold can go to 39. Gold can go to 39. It's going to have to get through 30. If gold gets through 30, it can pop right back up to 39.40. Hit your daily goal. Good job, man. Nice job, Terry. You were in Sim? You forgot to put it on your live account? Don't worry, there'll be more trades. We get this kind of volatility, it'll be fun. Listen, I respect the fact that you're practicing. Too many guys just want to jump in and They don't know what they're doing. There's 28.2 target hit. Anybody take gold long? I gave you guys targets. I gave you guys the targets. Anybody take gold? Okay, Charles. Okay, Veronica. Guys, we're headed to 39 on gold. 39. And we're going to 40 on this NASDAQ. Nice job, Todd. 28.2. Chris, good job, fellas. You guys can get an early tea time if you want. You're done for the day. Nice job. I mean, that's the deal. And this is going to 40, fellas. Anybody's in the NASDAQ. We're going to 40. Maybe 41.50. Anybody in NASDAQ? Okay, Barbara. Okay, Chris. Okay, Charles, you're in at 23. Okay. I think we can get to 40. 40 half.
Target filled.
There's first target on Credidid. Good morning, Ricky. Come on, 5 more points. Uh-oh, don't look now. Anybody still holding gold? Anybody still holding gold? Next level up, 39.8. Is there anybody still in gold? Okay, Charles. Gold's going to get to 39.8. Come on, NASDAQ, get us 40. Let's go. All right, NASDAQ ran into a little bit of resistance here, fellas, at 36 half. It's got to pop that 36 half and it's a done deal. The first target is off on crude, and I'm at break even there. Gold, to get to that 39 half, I need a 5-minute candle to open up somewhere around 31 area. Come on. Come on, Nancy. There it goes. Boop, boop, boop. Pop, pop. Done.
Order submitted.
$38. Come on.
Stop filled.
Ocho más. Oh, you are a dog. 39 half. 39 half. Do I hear 40? Do I hear 40? Going once, going twice. You rat bag. I got the 39 half here, fellas. This is going to 40. If you really want to milk it, 41.50. It's 41.50 is where it's going. Don't you do it. You front ran me at 39. See, you're an old timer. You know better.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right, I took it, fellas.
Target filled.
Another target on gold. Gold's up 450. $60 here on crude. Oh, I didn't even look to see if we may have had news today at 8:30. Obviously nothing. Would have sucked if we had non-farm payrolls or something crazy, right? You're still going to get that 40-41, fellas. Yeah, I mean, I agree, Rick. I would not be interested. Maybe.
Order submitted.
I don't think so. I'll take it, but I don't think so. I don't like the short side. You have 5-minute support right here. It's going to have to break 32.50.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. Gold is going to 39.8. 39.8. There you go. That's exactly right, Floyd. $39.8 on gold. If you're holding gold, $39.8. NQ got my number. Thank you, Floyd.
Order filled.
Gold went long on the 3-minute bot, fellas. I'll play with those later. Anybody holding NASDAQ still? Yes, exactly, Floyd. Anybody holding NASDAQ still? We could trade now up to 72, right? Back to VWAP. Good morning, Ali. $56 next level on NASDAQ. They're buying most of them back. There goes gold. Oh, hit target to the tick. Didn't fill it. 35 ticks. Come on, dog. Come on, buddy. Oh,
Target filled.
got it. 35 ticks, fellas. Who said 39.8? Who said 39.8? No, you did not. 39.7. I missed. Fire me. Let me take another one of these off.
Target filled.
You're welcome, Jim. Guys, if you are here on trial, or you're a newer member, or you're watching this video at home, all of my trades are clearly memorialized on this video. I have given entries. I have given specific targets, or as my son used to say when he was little, Pacific targets. Made 1900 on the gold trade. Good job, Charles. I have given specific targets, all of which are hit. Now, admittedly, I missed this 39.8 by a tick. I mean, I was off by $10, but I gave that long, $25, $26. If you guys are paying attention, and part of the benefit, and this is again mostly directed at newer members and trials, one of the added benefits to the room is my order flow trades. If you cannot make money here, you cannot make money in a room. There is no room that can outtrade me, not one. If there is, recommend them. We'll trade live accounts, real money, head up. Send me a name. It's been a standing invitation for years, and no one takes me up on that. I really want that 19.8. It's kind of torquing my jaw that I missed by a tick. Or 39.8. Yeah, take your money and go. Todd, you made your money, take your money and go. Yeah, I mean, you got to know, there's my 56 target on NASDAQ. There's 56. Now we're headed up to next level, I'll give you, is 63, 64, 63, 64. If anybody's running NASDAQ still. I would expect a pullback in gold here. Hey, James. Good morning. Let's see. What did you say? Thanks, Jay. So one of my members is suggesting that I go up in price. Thank you. I think you're right. Grandfathered. Everybody, though, that's here is grandfathered, right? Okay, Mimi. You're going to 62 area next on NASDAQ. 62. What, James? I'll tell you what I don't understand. Seriously, is I realize there are some 2,000 rooms, right? Not 98 or 99% of them can't or don't trade. I don't understand how people can actually trial in this room and not join it. I will never understand it. I'm not trying to sound arrogant or egotistical. I've been in this industry now for, I don't know, 7, 8 years, and I know what's out there, and it just blows my mind. Trials will come in, watch the bots trade, watch my order flow trades, and then walk away and never hear from them again. I kind of thought I was, Tom. Come on, give me that 8. I want that last tick. Boom, got it. Got it. All right, I got my target. I'm happier now. Yeah, I mean, that could be. Let's see, Floyd. Yeah, but I mean, for instance, this trade on gold was a 12, 13, $14 trade. Floyd, that's not really a scalp. $14, 10, somewhere between 10 and $15, not ticks, dollars. That's not a scalp. All right, Veronica. Not Veronica, I'm sorry. Mimi, there's your next target up. Now we start working into 70 on NASDAQ. Start working into 70, which is right up where? What do I tell you guys? Where do we always go? Back to VWAP. So when you come in the morning, part of the problem that a lot of traders make, you're welcome, Mimi. Part of the problem that a lot of traders make is we come in and they'll see the markets down or up, decently. And then they want to jump on board in that directional trade. So what you guys don't understand is even when the markets are up or down, when we come in, there's generally a retracement coming into the cash session, right? Our session. There's generally a retracement. So if we've been down all night, we usually get a pullback on the reload, and then we may continue that downtrend, and vice versa on the uptrend. Too many people make the mistake that they see the market's down, they want to immediately get in short. Or the market's up, they want to immediately buy. Now, it would not surprise me if later today we come back down. Gold now heads to 41.8. 41.8. If anybody is holding GC, 41.8. Tom is up 641 net after fees on the scalper on silver. And he is also using the 1 minute. What's your first target on silver? 3 ticks? How many ticks? 4. Okay. That's true, Floyd. Yesterday's close. That's true. So gold is going to 41.8 if anybody is still holding gold. I mean, I could be wrong. It could be 7, but there's 41.2. Come on, don't jump out on me. Got 41.3. No, I said 41.8. I got 41.3. I still think 41.8 and then 44.9. I mean, the bot's got a 7-handle trade. As a rule, you always take one tick less than my target. There's 8, 41.8. Boom. Next level up, 44.9. Got that target. 44.9. It's going to get that last target at 10.6 handles. 44.9. Anybody still running gold? This is a boom chakalaka. uh, 16 ticks on silver. That's a big trade. Nice job, Tom. NASDAQ's next target up, guys, is 70. 69.70 for anybody that's still holding NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ, go get 70. Does anybody have any questions, guys? It's been a, did I get a, I didn't turn it on. Yes, but I didn't turn it on, Todd. I'm too engrossed in silver, I mean gold in the NASDAQ. I forgot to turn it on. Bonds are starting to peel back a bit. Yeah, 6E, Patrick. I forgot to turn it on. Again, I'm sitting here watching gold and NASDAQ. And I forgot to, this, you've got along here at 17.8. China's promised to adhere to the Phase 1 trade deal. The U.S. is keeping an eye on it. Tech Talk will, I don't know what that is. Tech Talk will not be sending user data to China. I still have a target on gold, guys, at 44.9. This is my next target on gold, 44.89. And above that, 47.1. 47.1. Guys, you got a $750 runner if you're in this trade. First target hit on your euro. First target hit. Come on, guy. Come on, buddy. 44.9. 44.9. Oh, don't you chooch out on me. Where did I get? 44.1. Hit 44.3. Hit that last, missed that last target by one tick. 44.9. Come on. $950 runner. Come on. NASDAQ got to 66, 65. Anybody have a gold contract still going? Anybody? Okay, Jacques. Nice. I mean, if you want to get crazy aggressive, you can go to 47.2. You're already thinking about your golf swing? Oh! No! 44.9. Booyah, baby. Next target, 47.1. 47.1. 47.1, fellas. If anybody's got one and wants to get aggressive, 47.1. How about your, and I missed the Euro trade. I didn't turn the damn thing on. Look. It's like, 47.1. Oh my God. How's he do that? I don't know. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. Got to 47.2. Wow. Listen, it's so much more fun when they move. I have no more targets. I have nothing. I got nothing. Oh, NQ almost to 71. Nice job, Tom. Still in the Euro. Silver's lagging. So if silver catches up, you're going to get a monster trade. Let's see here. Charles, let's closed NQ runner up 33.65 from NC and GC. Going to sim the rest of the day. Nice job. Yeah, I'm done calling gold targets. I'm out of targets, Floyd. I have no more. I literally have no more gold targets. I mean, I've got one more, but I don't think we can get. Maybe. What do I know? They're buying the hell out of gold. 50.1 and 51.5. And then 55.6, but I don't think so. If we break out above 1963, was a very good year. Gold blows could go to 2000. What's pivot point? What's that, Patrick? Oh, that's the pivot. Oh, 49.3. Yeah, I don't have another target without a pullback. Don't buy Goodyear tires. You guys see that? I said 71. We didn't get there. We got 69.75. I'm not there yet. Or did I say I forgot what I said. I could have said 69. I don't recall. Guys, NASDAQ and gold, monster trades. Everybody should be green. Anybody that took trades made money. There are no targets that weren't hit all along the way. We're coming up on 9 a.m., at which point I will take my breakfast break. I'm waiting to see what this gold wants to do. Crude is almost to first target. It may have hit first target. No, one tick. One tick to first. Oh, first target's off. It's one tick to second target. First target's off on crude. I'm just adjusting charts, guys. Silver just took a long. Just adjusted my charts. I'm turning bots on as well, guys. They're all in longs. I am not turning the 15 range on. My gold on the 377 tick, guys, is up $1,100. It's done for the day. And my gold on the 3-minute is up $1,860. Gold is done for me for the day. Nice. It takes a couple of weeks, Terry. I mean, new to the room. It takes a few weeks to get used to me understanding the bots. I'm watching this gold with bated breath on direction.
Target filled.
Guys, my bots are on. I mean, everything's already in a direction, right? We're in directions everywhere. I do not have my 15 range NASDAQ chart on. NASDAQ still has net sellers, but 125. They bought everything back in this explosive move up. I like NASDAQ long around 58, 59 on a pullback. If silver goes up and it's fighting this resistance here, silver's going to have to come through 26.8. If silver goes up and gets this target, that'll be the last trade for me on silver. I'll be shutting silver off as well. One tick to target. First target filled. That's it for silver. Done for the day. It's Friday. I'm leaving green. End of story. So at the conclusion of this trade, I will be done trading gold. Well, I'm done trading gold now, at least on the bots. And I will be done trading silver at the conclusion of this trade. Okay? Let me check opening and balance. $155 million on the buy side. All right, guys, this is done. Okay? Silver is up $1,150. Done for the day. Done. It's done. All right, guys. We're about there. No, Chris, I did not. I'm not up at 3 a.m. and I don't leave my computer on. All right, guys. We're off. I need this NASDAQ to pull back a little bit, guys. I don't want to see it take... damn it. It bounced off 70 area. I'd like to see it come down to 58.50. Gold looks to me like it's going to roll over. Watch gold here for a break. And NASDAQ. All right, Tom, you're up over 6,000 today. See you tomorrow, brother. Or Monday. See you Monday. NASDAQ is stuck in the opening candle. I do not have my 15 range on today. Russell is bid. NASDAQ looks like it wants to pull back. Okay. They're not posted there, Shri. I don't post daily videos. YouTube and Vimeo. I don't post them in the member area. I'd have 7,000 videos. $58 long, guys. Maybe $58 half. Watch gold, guys, on a break of this 38.1. Still 3,000 net sellers in gold. Watch NASDAQ 58 half, 58, 59 area on a pullback. Oh, it's going to hold that 60 again? I don't think so. Small sellers in the NASDAQ, guys. This is a crappy little market here. All right. Let me look at NASDAQ here. Hang on. Boy, it's terrible when pre-market is better. Still sellers, up to 700 sellers. It's going to be a while, Dijan. It's going to be a while. I'm on MT4 right now, and next is going to be probably pork my jaw. Seriously. Bounced all the way up to freaking 82. Missed by 4 ticks. There's gold. There we go on gold. Okay. Got first target off here, guys, on the Russell. Gold may get buried. Gold is holding small support at 36.8. Gold is probably going to pull back to 28.2. There you go. What is target on what? On gold?
Target filled.
There's first target on the euro. Target on gold, it can come all the way down to 20.6. Gold can come to 20.6. Gold's going to get cranked. You certainly have a target at 28.2 on GC. Anybody that's short, 28.2. 28.2. If you're in it at this 38 area, 38.1, you've got 3-4 handles in it. Watch for the bounce. It could bounce back to 39.8, but it is not going far. It's coming to 28.2 and then 20.6. If gold breaks below 16.5, it's going to be a jailbreak to 1900, where I think the next long will begin. Okay, out on the euro, first target only. Guys, just as a reminder, I have turned off silver and gold. They're done. I have turned off crude. It is done. Okay, crude is done. Done for the day on crude, silver, and gold. You guys are free to trade. There's my 58 half if anybody took that 58 half long. Anybody take 58 half long? Gave 12 ticks of heat. There's crude. Here's your sell. Targets. It's done. Anybody take 58 half long on NASDAQ? Nobody? Okay.
submitted.
I'll play with the scalper guy. This will be the last trade for me on the Russell for the day, for the week, actually. Gold should come down to 28.2. It held basically a double bottomed on the 15 minute. It may have one ticked it, but it should come down to 28.2 and then 20.6. Those are targets. 28.2 and 20.6. This is from a 38.1 sell. I mean, you got 3 handles in here already. Postmaster General votes by mail himself. Who cares? This will be the last trade on the Russell. It's done for the week. I never turned on my 15 range NASDAQ today. It got beat up yesterday. I am not playing with that NASDAQ again.
Order submitted.
I don't care what it does. There it is, 30 ticks. Hit it to the tick.
Target filled.
All right, guys. Russell is now done for the day. Russell's up 430. Done. Done. That's it. $28.2 on gold. 28.2 on gold. We just need it to break down below 34.6. It starts the next move down. 28.2 is the target I have, and then 20.6. Come on. I think that big move up was a huge short cover rally. I mean, it wasn't like there was a ton of buying in there. Here comes your gold, fellas. Here comes your gold. 28.2, target 1. 28.2. You guys will notice I have shut the following bots off. Dean, I just sent you an email. Will you please check that? For the love of God. Okay, everybody should have seen this, fellas. Okay? This NASDAQ is getting awfully quiet.
Order submitted.
Again. It's just chopping around, fellas. 28.2 on gold. Gonna find some support at 30.7.
Order filled.
Chris, I have no idea what the heck you're doing. I really don't. I mean, it is self-explanatory.
Stop filled.
We're dead, guys, on this NASDAQ. You see how the green line is now gone? Once it crosses the line, long or short,
Order submitted.
it's not a short, guys. I wouldn't want to be short. Once we cross the line disappears. It's broken. You see all these wicks on the 1 minute, guys? NASDAQ has gone dead quiet again. Look at your 15 range on the screen. If you think you can trade this, good luck. $28.2 on gold. It's my target. No, gold is the entry is already in, Barbara. If you're not short from this 38 line here, it's too late. Huh? You're short from 33.5. You are way late on that trade. Maybe 37 stop, but you're way late on the trade. I put this line here, guys. All right, Rich. See you Monday. Chris, do you have the same panel here? With all, does your panel look like mine? Chris? Guys, we cannot trade this. Okay, yeah. I don't know if you go to your settings. I'd have to see it, Chris. I can't solve it without seeing it. I don't know what you're doing or not doing. I'd have to see it. Gold came to 31.7 and it's bouncing. I would have no interest in a long here, fellas. Zero. It could bounce back to 39.8, but I have no interest in a long. Send me a screenshot. Send it to my email if you would, and I'll take a look. I'd like to see one more down move and then an up move. NASDAQ is just quiet. It's trying to go long again. This is why I'm not running the 15 range, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
There's target. Bonds just went short on the bot. Chris, do you have TeamViewer? Okay. You figured it out? Okay. Eurozone consumer confidence and existing home sales in a few seconds. Minus 14.7. Big beat on existing home sales. Big beat. Gold should start its move lower again now. It's got to come down. Anybody still holding gold for 28.2? If anybody holding gold for 28.2 first target, okay, guys. If we get that target, it is $1,000 per stinking contract, guys. And I'm highly confident we're going to get 28.2. And then I think we're going to get 20.6. $31's going to offer some support as well. You're very welcome, Dejan. Anybody take this gold short? Bonds are one tick from target. Anybody take gold short? We pop 31, it's done. 28.2. Okay, Todd. It's coming to 28.2, fellas. Little infinitesimal support at 30.4. Come on, 28.2. Stop. It's holding a little bit of support at that 31 area. 30.4 goes, it's chooched. Nice job, Eduardo. $1,411 after commissions. Nice job. Come on, 28.2. Let's go. That was a target on the upside, if anybody remembers. Come on. Sell them. Buyers are trying. They're going to lose. They're going to lose. Still in sim. First week up 48.95 after commissions. Wow. Great week. Come on, bonds. One tick from target. Come on, gold. Oh, you're very welcome. Uh-oh. 29.4 is what we hit. Come on, 28.2. 28.2. Come on, buddy. And then 20.6. Time is at 10:03. Come on. Thank you, Andy. I'm not done yet. I expect to get 28.2 and then 20.6. And honestly, this son of a gun could come all the way down to 1870. I don't think so, but it could. Come on, we broke that little support area. Come on, bonds, give me that target. Let's go. Not going to get trades on the indices today for me. Guys, I mean, gold alone is probably $30, $40 worth of ticks today. Dollars, not ticks. 300 to 400 ticks on gold alone today. I want that damn target. That line. That line. Come on. Existing home sales spiked 25% in July. A little better. All right, NASDAQ's coming down. Silver's coming down. I know I'm a few ticks off. It's torquing my jaw too. It came to 29.5. Listen. I wanted. I want 28.2. I'm off by 13 ticks. I mean, still a $9 trade, right? But I want my target. Indices are starting to sell, but I don't think we're going to get a big enough move. You got a long on the NASDAQ right here at 85.5 if anybody wants it. It's gone already. I missed it, guys. I'm myopically focused on gold. Anybody catch 85.5 on NASDAQ? It's at 91. Anybody catch that? Sellers back into gold. That could have been the reload in that little pullback. They're just holding here in a 5-minute candle. All right, Tony, good job. I'm afraid. How much you up? I'm afraid to ask. Come on, Bonds. One more tick. Here comes here comes gold. Come on, gold. It's all sellers, fellas. 28.2. Nice job, Tony. Bet line. Booyah! 28.2. Booyah! Booyah, baby. That's first target. 10 handles. $10 move. Next target, 20.6. 20.6. 20.6, fellas. If you got a runner. Anybody have a runner in gold? Okay, Mimi, if you're trading a live account, you are terrorizing it. Are you trading live or sim? Okay. 20.6. Next target down. You're going to get there. 20.6. You're in from 40.3. Nice, Gary. Guys, if this blows 16, whatever that low is, 16.5, 16.6, whatever, the selling is going to accelerate. The selling will accelerate. We could see 1900 today or just below. Look at this bond. Stuck. One tick.
Target filled. Target filled.
Done. Not going to hold out for a tick here or there. You guys can sit with it if you want. I am leaving green today everywhere. I am not letting anything go red. Where to put the stop on GC? Right now, my stop would be 36.2. 36.2. I mean, it could pop back up there. I don't think so, but 36.2, which would be, if I were going to take a long, would probably be my long entry up there. Guys, give me 1 minute if you would. I'm just going to grab coffee. All right, I'm back, guys. Nice. You had 5 contract. Shoot, that's a $5,000 trade, Dejan. If you held just to 28.2, that's a $5,000 trade. Nice job. Well, suffice to say, your membership's paid for. Guys, y'all, you're very welcome. You are long gold at 42. What? You mean you'll enter at 42? Is that what you're saying? Or you are long from 42? What are you saying? No, Rick. I don't understand. You're welcome, James. Have a blessed weekend as well. I'll see you Monday morning. Oh, you meant 32. Okay. You were scaring me, buddy. I mean, if I were inclined to take a gold long, it would be 37.3 at 10.15. Now your long would be 37.3. I have no interest in a long. They got 8 buyers, fellas. There are no buyers. None. Gold is, I think, going to get zippity doo-dah today. My opinion. But that'll create another long entry. Took your profits? Okay. It's going higher, dude. It's going back up. Gold is headed to 39.8 and possibly 42. Just track it. 39.8 and 42. Did I just miss another NASDAQ long? I did. Chump. Should have been long 82. So 39.8 would be the next long. I gave you what the entry would be if you guys were so inclined. You'd be in about here. And your first target would be 39.8 on GC. Oh, man, I missed a nice NASDAQ trade. Guys, do I have anybody in this room that has not made money today? Is there anybody that's not made money? Do I have anybody that's struggling? Anybody, maybe you did your own thing. You went long, I went short. I went short, you went long, whatever. First target 39.8. Is there anybody that took gold long at 37.3? Okay. Okay, Ali. I did not have an entry there. Terry. Listen, it's luck, buddy. I really don't know what I'm doing. I have no earthly idea. I'm just throwing darts, man. Throwing darts. I told you, Michael, I was not turning on the 15 range. I did not run that 15 range today. I learned my lesson yesterday. This market, the NASDAQ just chopped me up yesterday. I'm done with it. Did somebody say 39.8? Listen, that 15 range, it's just not enough volatility in there, Michael. And it's getting chopped up. Jeepers, that's a great day, Terry. $3,500 up on two contracts. That's a hell of a day on 2 cars, brother. Nice job. I mean, fellas, we have guys in the room trading size too, for my trials. I won't give out any names, but we have guys trading size that I know are tearing it up. Tearing it up. Yeah, that 15 range is, when it's really pinging around up and down the 15 range, Michael, is a lot of fun. But when it gets choppy NASDAQ just goes into these periods of almost schizophrenia. Takes on like multiple personalities. Seriously, doesn't know who it is. It's kind of like Bruce Jenner and Caitlyn Jenner. Doesn't know who it is. Anybody live in Texas? Anybody in this room live in Texas? I don't know if you guys saw this, but it's stinking awesome. I thought it was awesome. I thought it was funny. Apparently, there's a lot of sensitive people out there. Well, I said 39.8. I didn't get it. I got 39.5. That's how I feel, Mark. Come on, 39.8. Give me that 39.8 from 37.3. Booyah! 39.8 from 37.3. Got another to the tick. Might have been Austin, actually. It might have been Austin. There we go. Next target up, 42.2. 37.3 to 39.8. 25 ticks more. Thanks, Tom. Here comes my 42 target. We may have already hit it. 41.9. Dang, missed by a tick again. Guys, I hope you're having fun because it's Friday and I'm having fun at this point. I'm basically done trading. We're green across the board. For my trials, I've heard from one of you already. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. Long as we're moving, fellas. I mean, this. See you Monday. Have a great weekend, Chris. For my trials, fellas, I will go through a quick presentation in about 10 minutes, right around 10:30. I'm done. We've absolutely crushed it today. Just crushed it. I'll do totals at 10:30. No trades. These have all been in longs all day, so they've not taken any trades. My bots are all shut off. I'll give you my total now. The euro, and I missed the first trade because I forgot to turn it on. Up 156.25. That was a winner on the long side. 156.25 on the euro. Crude up 570. Gold on the 3-minute up 1860. Gold on the 377 tick up $1,010. Russell on the 15 range up $430. Silver on the 6 range up $1,150. And bonds up 187.50. What's the total? 5,363.75. Way to end the Friday, huh, guys? Way to end the week. Yep. Let me see what I got here, guys. I mean, if anybody wants to hold a NASDAQ trade, if we get above 524, the NASDAQ melts, I mean, sky high. I want to show you guys something on the NASDAQ. I mean, fellas, again, nice job, Ray. $3,000 day. Guys, everybody should have just cleaned clock today. I don't care if you may trade micros, minis, 1, 10, somewhere in between. I mean, we have just absolutely categorically crucified the NASDAQ and gold today. The bots have crushed it. All right, fellas, I'm gonna wrap it up.